Alright everyone, I welcome you today to Crypto Fountain YouTube channel. As usual and as you already know, I only bring you amazing crypto opportunities that will end up for you getting crypto airdrops gems. I mean that will end up paying you massively. I'm talking about crazy amounts of dollars. But no matter what, don't take this as a financial advice. Adhere to the disclaimer, please. So today, what do I have for you? I bring to you an airdrop opportunity, right, from one of amazing crypto projects in the space, which is Tari. This is their Twitter account. As you can see, they are already verified, right? So all you need for this, I think, is a Telegram account, an X account, and also a Discord account. So without much ado, let me take you through the systematic process of you qualifying for their testnet activities to earn points, so that at the end it will be converted into tokens which you can cash out and make it big, right? So without much ado, let's dive in. All right. So before we move on to the quest or the activities expected of you, I decided to bring you here so we take a critical look at their tokenomics. As you can see, let me see if I can expand this guy. Let me see. Oh my god, it wasn't possible. But as we can see from here, they have 4% allocated for contributors, 12% for participants, which you and I are already part of. They have 9% for protocol infrastructure and grants, 5% for community, and then a whooping 70%. As you can see, the blue section, a whooping 70% for mining rewards. When we talk of mining rewards, then we are talking about you and I who are going to participate in the testnet activities. So this isn't something you like to miss, right? So without much ado, let's dive in. All right, so this is the quest page, right? This is the quest page. As I said, I participated in this very airdrop, I think 4 days ago, but today it crossed my mind and I decided to bring it to your notice. So you too position yourself for this money, right? So when you log in first, all you will see is log in or connect with X. I'm talking about Twitter. Just as you can see this green button here, right? So you just have to click on it. It will log into your Twitter account or your X account. You have to input your details to log in, and then you authorize the app. After that, it will bring you back here, and then you collect. You see, I think you see verify or claim there. You claim, and then you will be accumulating this gems, right? So all you need now is a link to this quest, which I will leave in the description section of this video, right? I'll leave it in the description section of this video. As you can see, I even have another quest here, which is connecting my Discord account. So let me do it. You also be required to do it. The more gems you collect, the more XPs or your chance for gaining more the stuff. So let me click on authorize now. Okay, so let's see. Oh my god, I think something broke. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I actually don't know why this is happening, right? But yours, it might work for you. Even if the Discord gives you problems, please continue with the other task, right? There are so many activities. As you can see, I've performed so many of these activities, earning me enough. Oh my god, I want to go back. As you can see, the Discord is misbehaving here. I followed them on Twitter. I came back, you can see it's saying completed, and I got 500 gems. Here I retweeted a post by them, I got 500. Another one, I got 100. So as you can see, it keeps. I even joined their Telegram community. So these are some of the simple tasks that will be expected of you. And then once you are done, you come down here, you will see your unique referral link here. You can copy it, send it to your friends, and then they also participate. This is incredibly amazing. Even when one individual joins through your link, you also get another I think 1,000 gems. You can see, so it keeps on and on and on and on. So guys, why don't you hop on this, as I'm very sure it's going to pay us in the near future. Right along, join my Telegram community in the description section. Also, I'll leave a WhatsApp community which we are building for Crypto Fountain Academy, where we'll be sharing anything crypto, anything that we can benefit from in the crypto space. So do well to join the community as well. I'll also leave the link to this quest in the description section. You can check it from there, and then we ride along. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you another time with another incredible video. Bye bye.